Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We've got a wonderful chocolate chessboard cake for you. Start by whisking 6 eggs together in a mixing bowl with 500 grams of cake mix. Add 100 millilitres of milk, and 60 millilitres of oil. Once all combined, just pop it aside, and in a new bowl add 20 grams of cocoa powder and 60 millilitres of hot water. Give it a mix till all the cocoa powder has dissolved. Now pour half of your cake mixture into a separate bowl and add in your chocolate mixture. Give it a stir. This will make the chocolate part of your cake. Let's pour both parts into readily lined cake tins. Bake those in the oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. While those are cooking, we're going to bring to the boil 200 millilitres of heavy cream, plus 10 grams of Earl Grey tea leaves. Give them a mix and let them boil. Next, melt 200 grams of dark chocolate. Then through a sieve, pour in your cream mixture. Use a spoon to ease it through. No problem if a few of the tea leaves escape through the holes. Just give that a mix. There. Pop it aside, and in a new bowl add 200 millilitres of whipping cream and 10 grams of icing sugar. Whisk it up till it's thickened. Now lay out your cakes. And we're going to use a circular cutter on each cake. Starting with large, then medium, then small. Now remove every other piece from each cake and switch them over. This is how we're going to create our lovely checkered effect. Right, let's build the final showpiece. One layer goes on there, covered in chocolate ganache. Spread it out evenly, then pop on the next layer, and so on. Now cover the entire cake with your whipped cream and icing sugar mixture. Smoothing it out. And pour on the rest of your chocolate ganache. Spreading it out very carefully, allowing it to drip down the sides. Fantastic. Now let's decorate with some more whipped cream, piped on with a decorative piping nozzle. And how about a few chocolate-dipped macarons? Light to dark, light to dark. Continuing with the checkered theme. And there you have it. Absolutely amazing. And the only thing left to do now is dig in. And it's checkmate. Enjoy!